My name is Amanda Jacinto from Bow River Law. We're an employment law firm in Calgary. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, how can I tell if I'm an employee or an independent contractor? Now, you're probably thinking the answer is in writing in the contract you've entered into. However, contracts don't always adequately reflect the true relationship between the contracting parties. Rather, the conduct of the parties can be looked at in determining whether or not you've entered into a contract for services and therefore an independent contractor, or an employment contract and you're an employee. Now, there are various legal tests that can be applied in determining whether or not you are an employee or an independent contractor, such as the following. Degree of control test. How much direction and control do you have over the work that you're providing? Are you able to set your own schedules, delegate the work to other individuals? Generally, the more control you have over what you're doing leans towards you being an independent contractor. However, if the other contracting party is telling you what your schedule is, how to carry out tasks, then this leans towards you being an employee. Ownership test. Who owns the supplies and tools required for your job? Generally, if you are required to bring your own tools and supplies, then this leans toward independent contractor, whereas employees, they are provided with the necessary tools and supplies that are required to get the job done. Now, the integration test. This test looks at the whole relationship between the worker and the employer to determine whether or not the worker is integrated into the organization. Now, let's think about this for a moment. When you're carrying out your duties, are you viewed as a separate entity or a separate business? Or are you viewed as a part of that organization, a part of the team? If you're viewed as a part of the organization or a part of the team for that matter, then this could lean towards you being an employee rather than an independent contractor, as independent contractors are operating in their own business and their own entity altogether. Now, determining whether you're an employee or an independent contractor isn't an easy task, and it can have great implications on your entitlements at law, such as severance, overtime pay, vacation pay, and protections under legislation. Now, if you need help determining whether or not you're an employee or an independent contractor, please contact Bow River Law and we'll be more than happy to help you.